We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 9H. Let's go on in. We're on the top floor of this 9-floor building, and the studios here have a couple differences. The first we'll see as we go into the kitchen, we're passing by the refrigerator, the microwave, the sink. There's a dishwasher. Dishwashers in the studio apartments in Collegetown Plaza are exclusive to floors 8 and 9. We're here in floor 9. There's a stove and the oven. You can see some cabinets and drawers that we've gone by. Let's go take a look in the bathroom. The bathroom will be the same that we've seen in the other units here in the building. So you get the full-size tub shower, the vanity, the toilet. There's a medicine cabinet over on the wall. Let's go take a look into the apartment. The next difference will be the air conditioner here in floors 7, 8, and 9. It's a built-in unit underneath the large windows, so you do have full use of both of those two windows. They both will open, so that's exclusive to the top 3 floors of the building, 7, 8, and 9. The lower floors will have a built-in window unit for the air conditioner. Furnishings, there's the dining table and chair, the desk and chair, there's the bookshelf, and the dresser is over here. We like to show you some different samples of apartments so you can have some ideas for different furniture layouts here in these units as well. So closet over here. You can see just turning back around, that's the kitchen we came through. The third difference will be the view. We're up on the 9th floor or the top floor of the building, so let's end over this way. You can see we've got the beautiful west-facing view. You can see downtown Ithaca, and we're gonna go over this way. And there's a beautiful view of Cayuga Lake over here that we're gonna get from these top floors. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see. So that is there we go. That's our Cayuga Lake view here from the 9th floor of Collegetown Plaza. We're located at 111 Dryden Road in the heart of Collegetown, and we're 1 block from campus.